Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherwin and the name of my channel is Unique by Sherwin. So I just got off work and I decided to go ahead and break down the tablescape. I'm just going to stack everything on the sideboard using the napkin so I won't scratch the surface. Then I'm going to take the plates and some of the items I no longer need out of the sideboard to make room for these items. I have really enjoyed this tablescape. I know I'm not a big fan of tablescapes, but I can honestly say I have jumped on the tablescape bandwagon. I'm only taking it down because we're having family over this weekend and I know we're going to need the table. So I decided to go ahead and break it down as well as make room inside of the sideboard. I also ordered a new piece for the kitchen area that should be coming sometime this week or first part of next week. It has a built-in area for wine glasses, so most of the wine glasses you see here will be in the new piece. So these two wine glasses are different and I plan on using them, so I'm just going to set them on the bar cart for now. I'm going to take these two champagne flutes to the kitchen because I'll be using these later as well. All right, you all know my routine. Let's go ahead and light some candles. I'm just going to put one stem in each because that's all I have, and plus I don't want it to be so full. I want it to kind of look light and airy anyway, so one stem is enough. Let's go ahead and get started with the hard part. So I'm just going to use 2 crates lined with home goods bags. I'm just going to put the plates into the bag inside of the crate so they won't get as dirty while they're in storage. After I got almost everything in the cabinet, I tried to close the door and it wouldn't close. So I ended up having to swap the plates to the other side and I put the glass and stemware on the left side. I went ahead and did that and you'll see in the video. I'm just using paper to separate the plates. But I am going to order the plate separator protectors. But for now, these will work because I have to wash everything anyway. These are some Halloween wine glasses I got last year from Home Goods. Each glass holds 1 bottle of wine. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up the items I kind of threw on the floor and straighten up the area a little bit and maybe do some cleaning later on tomorrow. I only had plans of just breaking down the tablescape and making room in the sideboard. I'm also going to set those crates by the back door so my husband will see them when he makes it home and just take them where they need to go. All right, I'm all done for now. Just simplified everything. I took the cloche that I had on another table and just took the lid off and used that to put one of my candles on. So just keeping it simple. If we decide to use this table, I can easily set the ginger jars on the side table in the entryway. As you can see, I still kept it simple on the entryway table because I want to be able to move everything off of the dining table onto the entryway side table if necessary. Oh yeah, let me show y'all what I got from Aldi's today. It is a porch sign. It says Hello Fall on one side and Happy Harvest on the other. I will be putting it out on the porch later. I have to go get a few more mums to put out. So just wanted to share this Aldi's find. I paid $12.99 for it. That was a great buy. All right, we are coming to the end of this video. I want to thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like seeing more videos like these, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.